Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a double shift. It's Bank Holiday Monday and I came home and it's so nice. I really don't want to go back to work tonight, but I have a few hours in between my shifts, and with it being such a nice day, I thought me and Ryan would really give the S2000 a good clean. We're also going to look in the engine bay. I haven't really looked at it. I hate my rocker cover. Someone's done it like zebra maybe, I don't know, you'll see it in a minute. But I'm going to have a look in the engine bay and see just what actually I can need changed. I might be able to clean it up a little bit. Haven't really looked at it, haven't really looked at the car too much because I've been super busy. So yeah, pretty much just going to give it a really good clean, see how it comes up. There's a few marks and things in it which are going to need took away, and I have a lot of things planned to get, but obviously it's all down to money. In a few months I'll have a lot of the stuff I want. At the minute I'm just enjoying the S2000 the way they come. It's completely stock, apart from a few little things that whoever had it before me did, but besides that it's pretty stock, and I'm just going to enjoy driving it and cleaning it and, you know, just all the sort of stuff until I can do things I want to do to it. Such a good car already, but yeah, I'm just going to give it a good clean today. Going to look around the engine bay, show you guys around there, see what I can clean up in there, and see if there's things that need replaced, you know, to make it that bit nicer. But yeah, I'm just going to look around the engine bay, show you guys around there, see what I can clean up in there, and see if there's things that need replaced, you know, to make it that bit nicer. But yeah, I'm just going to okay, so it's the next day. I had to go to work yesterday, so I had to just cut the video short. What I plan to do today is clean all the little bits in and around the doors and stuff, you know, where it gets really dirty. I'm going to polish it, I'm going to wax it. There's like the little bit of discoloration in the arch where the rust has obviously ran through. So my dad taught me such a good trick on how to get rid of the rust that runs down. T-cut, just plain simple T-cut. Takes a little bit of work, but it takes the colour of rust away, and it doesn't look half as bad. So I'm just going to do that. It's not going to be that much of an exciting video today, but it's something I've wanted to do since I bought the car. Those are the sort of things I like to do, is clean the bits that people don't really see. Maybe a little bit sad, but I'm going to just do that. I'm also wearing this jumper, which I always wear when I'm doing stuff to the car. It's so handy for me. I just pop it on. But yeah, it's so comfy and it's warm. I'm always wearing this jumper in the video. I have loads of other clothes, but it saves my nice clothes from getting dirty. But yeah, if any of you want to buy this jumper from Rolling Deep Crew, I will put the link in the description. It's also got a nice back on it. I don't know if I can show you it in the video or not, but I'll put the link in the description for you, and I'll just go and start cleaning the car. The other thing about the video at the start, you'll probably notice that there is a little line at the bottom. I used a different SD card and it messed about with my footage, so what I had to do was all the footage which I took yesterday, I had to screen record on my phone because it wouldn't even go into the laptop and it kept freezing, and the only way I could get around it was to screen record it all and then cut it out through iMovie and then transfer it through to the computer. It was a whole big handle. It took me ages to do it, but it was the only way I could get it to work. It wouldn't do anything. When I was putting it into editor, it just kept freezing, so I had to just do it that way, which is why you'll see the line. I got an iPhone XS Max last week, and that's the thing, the screen records, but it doesn't actually take away the little line. So it might not be perfect, but that's why that happened. I had the wrong SD card and it mustn't be able to keep up with the Canon G7X, but I had to make the best of a bad situation, and that's what I come up with. So I'm just going to go and start into the car now. Okay, so I just went ahead and polished and waxed the car because it was starting to rain, and I was panicking that if I started filming and poking about with the camera that the wax would harden and I wouldn't be able to get it off. I'll show you it now. I've just waxed it, but like I say, it's raining now, so it's just sitting sort of wet, but it came up really nice and shiny, and hopefully it will help because it just holds the rain, it doesn't bead at all. So I'm just going to go and start in the wheel arches. So the wheels need a little bit of a clean. Obviously they were washed, but it's just like brake dust and whatever in here could be cleaned up a little bit. So I'm just going to do bits and pieces like that. In around here is really dirty, so it could do with a clean as well. So I'm just going to use a bit of quick detailer just to see if it's just dirt. It's not really all exciting to show you on the camera. What I might actually do is take these wheels off. If I could get a set of steelies or something, I would take these wheels off and clean the back of them. I'd probably put these wheels up for sale and have a look out for something else. I don't know if I can get the camera to pick up the back of these wheels, but they're really clean. I suppose they're not very dirty. I don't know if I can see it, but now I'm going to try and get my hand in here. The joys of having the little tiny hands. So that's that wheel done, and in behind it's not really picking up on the camera, but I put my little tiny hand in there and cleaned the whole way around. So I'm just going to clean in around here because it's quite dirty. So I'm just cleaning up this little plaque that's on the door. It's kind of scraped, so I'm going to try some auto salt or something on it and see if it brings it up a little bit. So I'm just being a little bit picky and doing in here around the doors, and I'm just starting to do in here below the door card. So I've done in all around the door cards, right up the door card, up into the door latch, in below the bottom of the door card, and right up around to the top of the door. Okay, so just quickly showing you this side. Before, it's really quite dirty. So all in here is all cleaned, all in the door, and the side of the store is all done now too. So now I'm just going to do all around these little bits in the boot, all the way around it, and clean it up, and hopefully that should be most of the dirty little grimy bits all done that I really was dying to get done. So I've just got all those little bits done, the whole way down and through the whole bit. I know this is a little bit panicky, but it looks so much better when you open the boot, and I just like doing little bits like that. But yeah, I'm starting to be a bit more happier now with these little bits that I've been trying to get done for a little while. So So guys, that's all I'm going to do for this evening. So I washed the car yesterday. Gave it a really good wash. It's the first time it's had a proper wash since I got it. The washes that it's had have sort of been, you know, like the little ones out of the garage where you're just washing it with the power hose. I've washed it properly with the mitt, the 2-bucket method, the snow foam, and yeah, it came up well anyway with a good clean. So then today I polished and waxed it. Yesterday I done my engine bay as well, completely cleaned it out, and it's looking really good. Then obviously I just did all my wheels, in behind my wheels, in the back of them. I done my arches, I done the inside of my doors. The only thing I didn't get to do today was do my exhaust tips, because I don't have any metal cleaner or any metal polish. The other thing is I'm going to put a video up this week, which is something I've been looking for a wee while. So yeah, I'm going to finally get my driveway back to having not so many cars in it, but I'll tell you more about that during the week. But I'm sure some of you can take a little guess as to what I'm doing. But yeah, just a little video of me cleaning my car, being a little bit too panicky. Some people don't bother doing those sort of things. To me, those little things make all the difference. Going around the car, waxing it, I seen a few marks on it that were annoying me. Down the line, I hate saying it, but I'm probably going to have to get the car painted, because the arches, like I've shown you in the video, the arches are starting to rust a little bit at the back. They're going to need replaced. So with some of the marks in the car, I'm probably just as well painting the whole car. It's not that big a car, I can't see it being an overly expensive job. So yeah, it'll probably have to be painted. So I'm just going to cut the video here, guys, and I'll show you during the week what's happening with the cars and what we're going to do. As always, thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. You always like and comment on the videos, and you always watch all the videos as well. So I'll see you guys during the week, and thanks for watching.